In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Meta Business Suite. Sorry, this content isn't available right now. If you're seeing that message inside Meta Business Suite, it usually comes down to access or a simple browser hiccup. Let's walk through a clear path to get you back in. First, check your page permissions. In Meta Business Suite, open Settings and go to Business Settings. Look for People or Page Access. Here, confirm that your profile has admin or full control. Many parts of Business Suite, like certain posts, inbox items, or settings, are restricted to higher-level roles. If your role is limited, the content simply won't open, and you'll keep seeing that "Not available right now" message. It's not a glitch, it's an access gate. Make sure your access level is correct before moving on. Next, make sure you're using the correct account. In the top left, use the switcher to change your profile or page and select the right business account. It's easy to land on your personal profile or another page with similar names. When that happens, Business Suite can't display assets owned by a different business, which triggers the error. Double-check the logo and business name so you know you're in the right place. If access and account are correct but the error persists, clear your cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, find clear browsing data, and select cached images and files as well as cookies. Then reload Meta Business Suite. Cached files can become stale, and cookies can expire or conflict, causing loading issues. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, so be ready to log in again. After that, disable your browser extensions. Head to your extensions manager, toggle them all off, and refresh the page. Some extensions, especially privacy, ad blocking, or script modifying tools, can block parts of Business Suite without you realizing it. Turning them off removes that interference so the page can load as intended. Finally, log out and log back in. This refreshes your session and renews tokens behind the scenes. If your session is stale or partially expired, a quick sign out and sign in often resolves lingering access prompts and content errors. Work through these in order. Confirm permissions, switch to the correct account, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, and then log out and back in. In most cases, that clears the "Sorry, this content isn't available right now" message and restores full visibility in Meta Business Suite.